What is your first thought at the mention of Chow Kit? Drugs, prostitution, a district red with the lights of illegal trade. Chow Kit is unsightly and unseemly, you say.
Stay safe on your day,
This is not the Chow Kit I know. The place I see is a humble one, mundane, content, full with the overlooked and overworked jobs of every day. The people of Chow Kit don't seem to mind the negative perceptions. They are more occupied with the comings and goings of work and life. There is contentment to be found in hard work and the quietly defiant spirit of people. Chow Kit is all of these things and more. It is a medley of lives, of people who live and die in the same alleyways, and of foreigners who make it their home. It is accepting in an unseeming way, proudly inclusive. We are not saying there's no truth to the seedier aspects of Chow Kit. Petty crimes exist, drugs still exist. Despite this, the Chow Kit community rises above, a display of grit and willpower, a display of defiance and persistence. The place I see is a humble one. Behind the image of forgotten children and illicit affairs, and the underlying distaste of passers-by long gone, the loud bikes that scorch the asphalt, and the chaos that roams the streets. The people of Chow Kit want you to see them as they are, as people who are flawed,
who struggle and work,
who are unapologetic,
who find beauty in the everyday.
This is what you need to know. Chow Kit has a spirit of its own.